Are you often blamed by your own family members for all of their misery, especially my lovely ladies? And you often end up thinking that you are doing so much for everybody. You're working day and night, you're trying to do everything to support them. You are sacrificing your own needs and happiness just to keep them comfortable and happy so that they never find any hindrance, and still you are blamed for whatever has gone wrong. For example, they tell you that I'm not successful because of you, or I have high blood pressure because of you, and you never take care of my health. That is the reason I'm unwell, or because of you I cannot exercise. These are the words that you're hearing continuously. I feel you. I know how it feels to be there. But always understand that you can shift this. It's very powerful two mindsets, which I'm going to share with you now. The first thing is you need to understand this. When you complain that nobody values me in spite of me doing so much for them, remember, it's because you are not valuing yourself, because you don't value your happiness, you don't value your needs. How can others even know what is your need, what is your value, what you really want to do in your life when you're always sacrificing? It's impossible. There may be, I'm not saying 100%, but there may be, but the chances are very less that people will recognize all of it that you're doing for them, unless you truly express what you need. So always value your happiness, your love to do things, and all that you want to do in your life, your dreams. Work towards it little by little before it's too late, because you don't want to be blamed all your life. All right? That is one thing. The second perspective from their point of view, where they say that it's because of you they are suffering or they are misery in spite of you doing all that you can do, then tell them very confidently, looking into their eyes, that if you cannot handle your health, if you cannot, be successful in your job, or if you have high risk of BP or whatever it is you who has to work on your mindset. It's not my responsibility. My responsibility is to support you. I have been doing it all my life. Be very open to say this. And don't say it with any kind of, high emotions or crying. Just say it very peacefully and calmly, because that is the truth. Because if somebody gets triggered by an opposite person's, behavior, it is not the opposite person's problem that I'm getting triggered or somebody is getting triggered. It is your own mindset which we have to shift when the opposite person tries to trigger you in any way. So tell them very clearly about it. These are the two very powerful things. And if you want to work more deeply in your journey towards your inner power, towards creating value, towards living your life of dreams by just changing and working on your energy. Because remember, when your energy changes, everyone's energy around you changes. When you love yourself, everybody will start respecting you in the same way. If you don't trust me, just try this. Mark my words. And if you want to work more deeper with me, DM me healing, and I'm here to help you. We'll take it from there. My name is Renjo Nitin. I'm a healer, and I'm specialized into Reiki, inner child, and mindfulness. So DM me in case you want to take this healing journey. Until then, stay happy and stay in your power.